Salted chocolate chip cookies. 2 cookies on a plate. A person breaks a cookie in half. It is soft. Text: brown butter chocolate chip cookies. Unsalted butter 1 cup. Melt over medium-low heat. Butter melts in a saucepan. Text: cook 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. They stir the melted butter with a wooden spoon. Text: cook until butter foams and turns brown. Pour into heat-proof glass bowl. They pour the brown melted butter into a bowl. Text: cover and chill 1 hour. They cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Text: all-purpose flour 2½ cups. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Kosher salt 3/4 teaspoon. Baking soda 1/2 teaspoon. They add the ingredients to a sifter held over a bowl. Text: sift. They use a spoon to sift the ingredients into the bowl. They scoop the chilled butter into a mixer bowl. Text: dark brown sugar 1 cup packed. Granulated sugar 1/2 cup. Beat on medium-high speed 3 minutes. They beat the butter and sugar mixture. Text: 2 large eggs. Vanilla extract 2 teaspoons. Beat on medium speed 1 minute. They add the eggs and extract the mixture and beat. Text: gradually add flour mixture. They slowly add flour mixture as they beat the liquid mixture. Text: beat on low speed 1 minute. They beat it into a dough. They place the dough beside a cutting board. Text: 1 bittersweet chocolate bar 3½ ounces. They chop the bar into pieces on the board. They scrape the pieces into the dough. Text: bittersweet chocolate chips, morsels, or discs 3/4 cup. They pour chips into the bowl and stir. Text: scoop onto lined baking sheet. Circular scoops of dough appear on the sheet. They sprinkle the scoops with salt. Text: flaky sea salt. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 12 to 14 minutes. They place a sheet of cooked cookies on the counter next to a jar of salt, a bowl of chocolate chips, and a plate with 2 cookies on it. A plate with 2 cookies. They break a cookie in half. It is soft. Text: food and wine.